Hello everyone, welcome to our kitchen. Today I would like to share some tips and tricks about steaming whole fish. The first thing is we need to make some cut in order to help cooking. We can cut along the side of the fish or along the backbone. Cutting on the side of the fish may not look pretty at the end, so cutting along the backbone is the better option. The second thing is we can chop up some ginger, garlic, and scallion, then add some cold water to squeeze the juice out of them. Then marinate the fish with the juice in order to remove some fishy smell. You should also add some cooking wine into the mixture. The fish should be marinated for at least 10 to 15 minutes, and some of the garlic, scallion, and ginger can be stuffed into the stomach. Now, if we put the fish directly onto a plate for steaming, the fish can stick to the plate, and also it will be soaked in liquid during steaming as well. So the little trick here is to use some chopsticks and ginger slices to suspend the fish in the air. This way, steam can cook the bottom part of the fish, and the fish won't be soaked in liquid during steaming. Next, only put the fish in when the water is boiling. Never put the fish in while the water is still cold. Depending on the size of the fish, the steaming takes anywhere between 10 to 20 minutes. Once the steaming is done, drain the liquid in the plate. Now remove the chopsticks carefully. Add some regular soy sauce or soy sauce for steamed fish. Put some julienned scallion on top of the fish. If you like spicy, you can add some julienned red chili as well. Finally, heat up some oil and pour on the fish. This will help get the flavor of the scallion and red chili out as well. These are the tips and tricks we would like to share with you when it comes to steamed fish. You can try some of these methods on fish fillet or fish steak as well. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. See you next time.